fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time you meet in a deep fry, homie, this is too far.
This is Satchrider. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be fixing some rattling on the Surron LBX. Now I noticed this battery cover was making a lot of racket, but what we're going to focus on today is installing some foam right here, as you can see where this battery case hits. That's the major source of my noise, and like many of you, I like a quiet bike, so we're going to fix that up. So I got some 1/4" foam off Amazon, and I cut one piece out how I wanted it. So we're going to duplicate that cut just by turning it upside down here and marking it out right here so you can have two equal pieces. Okay, so there we go. We've got two pretty dang close pieces here. Now before you stick it on, we want to clean this up with a little alcohol so it can stick real nice and stay there a while. There we go. And this is gonna really quiet your ride. And this is gonna provide a little tension against the closing locking mechanism. And it's just gonna be exactly what we're needing here. And so that's on there. We cleaned it up, it's gonna stick, it's gonna stay. Let's see. Listen to that. Nothing. Thanks for riding along. For more unbiased E-moto reviews, hit subscribe, keeping that content fresh.
Yeah.